So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my page, HVAC Installations Ghana. Okay, so this morning I want to show you something at Cape Coast. There's a project that we are currently doing, and I want to show you something. So this building you see right here is Cape Coast Teaching Hospital. I don't know if you can see the name written in front of it. It's Cape Coast Teaching Hospital. This is one of their building, Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, popularly known as Interbet. So this is one of their building, and you can see it here, nicely done. But the main hospital is here. The main hospital is in the, though it's not a bush, but there is a lot of trees around it. The main hospital is there. This is one of it. Okay, so look at this one. This one was named by one of our presidents. Okay, this is John Evans Atamils. So this is one of the building, but this one also is not the main purpose. We have a new one here. It's inside this structure. Okay, so I want to take you there. You see the kind of work we do there. So follow our page, like our page, comment anything that you want to say, and we also give some special advice, not some special advice, but in case you have any issue based on your maintenance on air conditions in your home, whatever, you can come to our comment section and look at this. So this is the signboard. Okay, so this is Eye Surgery and Training Center. Okay, these are the founders, and these are the contractor, Group 6 Limited. Okay, so we'll go inside. Bazu, good morning, sir. So this is the main building. Look at it, nicely done. So it's an eye clinic, okay, for Interbet and Cape Coast Teaching Hospital. The front view nini oba ahana obewure mu afa. Okay, there's a place for the wheelchairs. It's two. There's one here, one here, and then we have a steps also here. Oh, since the entrance nini. Look at it. Work is still ongoing. In this space we are moving. Yeah, the cassette unit. Bakobesha. Okay. Normal structure, normal here. I look about normal use here. You see a pharmacy. There's one cassette unit also here. And we are doing that. NAS age man. Cassette unit. Back on Suahasi. Then back on Suaha. Then the main entrance in your cassette units 2. 10 horsepower. Back will be a 5 horsepower 2. Then there's an office here. So this is the back of one high wall. High walls near fix your offices. Back on sample near fix your hand. Okay, so this is the drainage. This is the drainage line. Very funny, see. Then it will go all the way down. There will be one machine also here. 7 displays. Okay. So these are consulting rooms. Very small, but at least it's not very small, it's standard. Look at it. So this high wall will serve here. There will be one also here. There will be one also here. So the copper pipes come from the top. Okay. Then there is one high wall also here. Because of the division, we have to shift it a little bit to this side. Okay. Morning, sir. So there are 2 machines here. One will go for the room and one will be part of the one serving outside. There's an office too at where the boss is. The AC will be right there on the wall. So we have 2 machines also here. One will be for this office, but currently we have to shift one to this office. Okay, that's what we are working on it. In this office, we have 2 offices also here. So there is one here and then one also here. Waiting for the indoors to come, then we can start the installations. There is one also right here. Okay. And we have this side, we have outdoor unit here. Look at this pipe. This one's also here. And these are the storm drain from the top to this hole all the way to the gutter. So we have washrooms also here. There are some washrooms here, and then the public washrooms also are here. Into this side here for public, this side near for public. So these are the washrooms. Okay. And here 3. Sorry, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. This is a disabled washroom, very big. So you can see. And then there is a shower. Okay. There's a shower here. So it's a very, very nice hospital. Very, very standard. Yeah, international. No, we're international standard. And then another washroom also is here. This is for the disabled washroom. These are the normal washrooms. Here is 4. Then this is the shower. And there is a water heater. In all the washrooms where we have the showers, if you want to bath, there is a water heater. And this is outside. The lines outside has been covered. Good morning. Yes, sir. So this is one of our AC points for this hall. These are also the washrooms. See the water heater here. This is a ward, okay? Where if you see this cross, this is where the ward bed will be. So here we have 1, 2, 3 here, and then 1 here, and then 1 also here. These are the AC points, 2.5, 2 in this place. Okay. And then in this ward they have their washroom here. Okay. So if you are here, you are a patient here, you don't need to walk all the way there. Just access the washroom here. Another wall also is here. That's the AC point there. So here basically we are using 2 types of AC. The high wall and then the cassette. Here we are not doing that work. Okay, we are not using concealed unit. We are only using the high walls and then the cassette unit. So you see, it's 7 a.m. in the morning, but people are busily working. Also, morning. So this point will be for cassette unit. Okay. And here we have 2 cassette units here. Here. Okay. I have say a surgical room. The rooms are 2. There is 1 at this side. But because of 1 or 2 reasons, they want to finish 1 up. And then later. Okay. Nicely done. Intubate. Keep cool. Okay. So this is just a little video. We will come back with another video when we are doing the installations and all that. You know, we just started this page. So when we were doing all the copper pipe installations, we don't have videos on it. But from now onwards, there will be new videos on all those things. Yes. So we work with engineers, mechanical engineers and all that. Our company, basically we do MEP. So if you want any advice, you contact us. You can see our number on the bio. You contact us. We can get you an expert advice. If you want us also to do your installations for you, you are welcome. So thank you very much. I'll end this video here. Then we will come back again with another video. Thank you.